Hey, what's up everybody? At some point, there's many of us Android users out there who are watching YouTube in search of information that relates to customizing our phones. And you know, I can't help myself, I'm definitely one of them. Which brings me to the reason for today's video. But before we get into that too deep, go ahead and click that subscribe button and then ring the notification bell. Ian here from Mania, and this is part 1 of how I customize my phone. On the regular, I change my wallpaper daily, and sometimes more than one time in a day. This first one I'm just showing you guys because it's already on my phone. This is an APK that I found from D2 Labs last year as I poked around on Google. With this live wallpaper, there's not a lot that you can customize other than the size and location of the character. Now Wolverine's pretty grumpy as you can see, so I don't bother him too much. Who am I kidding? I bother him every chance I get. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First up, we've got AMOLED Wallpapers. If you've got an AMOLED display on your phone, this app you're going to want to check out. New wallpapers are posted all the time, and it never takes me long to find what I'm looking for. Next up, we've got Fondo. I like this app because of the way that it mixes things up. These wallpapers have a cartoony look to them, but they're punchy in terms of color, and they're a good way to change things up when I'm coming from a black wallpaper. There's several categories to choose from, each having several wallpapers, so make sure that you heart your favorites so you can find them later. Now this next one I felt was a must with all the Marvel movies lately, and it's called Superhero Wallpapers. There's plenty of times when my phone's themed out as a superhero, and this is where I get most of my wallpapers from. I always have a specific category in mind, so I head there first. So if you've never tried this one, go ahead, do it today. Next up, we've got Pixel 4D. There's only one page when you open this app, so it defaults to themes. Now I didn't find as many free wallpapers as I would have liked to have seen, but I was able to make do. These wallpapers have a parallax effect, so when you move your phone, they move as well. And when your phone's at rest, they move to the left or right. And last but not least, we have walls. Now I've been using wallpapers from each of these apps all week, and like I mentioned, I'm going for a minimal theme, so the wallpaper I'll use will come from this app. As you'll notice though, this app kind of has wallpapers like all those that came before it. I've got the links down below, so go and check them out. But before you go, let me know what you think of these wallpapers. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Next up, I'll be covering Super widgets, and in part 3, my Nova launcher setup, so make sure that you tune in for those. And now for the moment some of you here have been waiting for, the Whitestone Dome giveaway. Winners are listed here, so go ahead and pause the video. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.